Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to create email marketing campaigns using GoHighLevel. Email marketing is a game changer for businesses, and with GoHighLevel, it becomes an easy process. So in this video, I'm going to break down in the simplest way possible how to do it. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. So GoHighLevel has many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first, let's talk about the type of email campaigns that you can create. For example, a common one is a lead magnet. Now, this is where someone provides their email in exchange for a free resource, like a case study or an ebook. Now, once they opt in, you can automate follow-up emails to nurture that lead. Now, let me show you how this works. Let's say that you have a funnel with an opt-in form offering a free case study. Now, when someone fills out the form, their information triggers an automated email sequence. Now, to set this up, you'll first need to connect your email domain. This will be the email that is used to send all of your campaigns. To set up your email domain, head over to your sub-account settings and click on Email Services in the left menu. Once there, you'll land on the Email Services page. And here, you'll notice the default email provider is the Lead Connector email system. Now, this is already set up for you, but if you prefer using another service like Gmail, Yahoo, or SendGrid, you have the option to add it manually. Now, let me walk you through how to add your own email service like Gmail. So click on the blue Add Service button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking you to configure your email provider. Select Gmail from the drop-down menu. Next, fill in your Gmail address and your password. For Gmail users, make sure you've created an app password for this step. Now, once you've entered the details, click Save. That's it. Your Gmail account is now connected and you're ready to start sending emails. Take a moment to double check everything to ensure that your connection is working perfectly. Now, let's dive into automations. So head over to the automation section in your GoHighLevel sub account. You'll want to create a new workflow. Think of a workflow as the backbone of your email campaign. Now, they dictate what happens and when. To create a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. You'll see two options: select a recipe and start from scratch. Now, the first option is a pre-built template, but for now, let's keep it simple and go with the start from scratch. Now, this gives us more control to build exactly what we need from the ground up. Once you reach to the blank workflow builder, the first thing that you'll do is name your workflow. Now, this makes it easier to identify later, especially if you're running multiple workflows. For instance, you might name it Lead Magnet Follow-up or Customer Onboarding Sequence. Click the pencil icon at the top and type in your desired name. Step number 2 is that you create a trigger. Now, every workflow starts with a trigger. Triggers are the events that set your workflow into motion. To add a trigger, click on the Add New Trigger box in the center of the screen. Now, from the right sidebar, choose a trigger type. For example, you could select Contact Tag. Now, once you select Contact Tag, you'll need to name the trigger. Pick a name that makes sense for what the trigger does, like New Lead Tag or Follow-up Trigger, so that you can easily find it later. After naming it, you'll see an option to add filters. Now, this is where you can fine-tune the trigger by specifying which tag or condition will start the workflow. For example, you might want it to activate only when a specific tag is added to a contact. Now, once everything looks good, click the Save Trigger to finalize it and move on to adding your actions. Now, once your trigger is set up, it's time to add actions. Actions define what happens next in your workflow. To add an action, click the plus button below your trigger and the right sidebar bar will open with a list of available options. To start, click the plus button to add an action. From the list that appears, choose Send Email. Now, this will open a setup window where you can customize your email. First, give your action a name like Welcome Email, so it's easy to identify later. Then, fill in the From name and From email fields. Now, these details will tell your recipients who the email is from. Next, add a catchy subject line such as Welcome to our community. Now, in the email body section, type out your message. Use formatting options like bold or italics to make key points stand out. You can also include helpful links such as lead magnet download or a call to action like scheduling a strategy call. If you already have a template, select it from the templates drop-down to save time. When everything looks good, click Save Action to finalize your setup. Next, add a delay to your workflow. Click the plus button below your first action and search for Wait in the sidebar that opens on the right. Select the Wait action and a new window will pop up where you can set the delay. Give the action a name like Wait 24 hours so it's easy to track. Then choose how long you want the system to wait before moving to the next step. Now, this could be minutes, hours, or even days. For example, you can set it to wait 24 hours before sending the next email. Once you've added the delay, click Save Action to lock it in and proceed to the next step of your workflow. After the delay, add another email action. Now, this second email might include additional information, helpful tips, or a call to action like scheduling a strategy call. Again, fill in the email details and save the action. Continue adding emails and wait steps as needed to complete your sequence. Now, this way, your workflow will guide your leads through a structured series of communications, keeping them engaged and informed. Now, once your actions are in place, double check everything. Ensure that your triggers, email content, and wait times are accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save at the top right corner. Now, you can keep the workflow as a draft or publish it immediately. By following these steps, you've built a fully functional workflow that automates your email marketing process. It's as simple as that. All right, so that's it for this video. You now know how to create email marketing campaigns with GoHighLevel. It's a powerful tool that makes email marketing super simple. Now, before you go, let me remind you about the special offer that I mentioned earlier. If you use my link below, you're gonna get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, as a thank you, you're gonna receive my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which is designed to help you master the platform and start making money within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're gonna get access to my exclusive high-quality Notion templates that are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free. Just click the link in the description to claim this offer and to get started. So thanks for supporting the channel, and I will see you in the next video.